Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing very well. So friends, we have come with our new video today. So today's video is going to be new content, which is how to create a Ghibli video. Alright, let's start the video without delay. So first, you need to open your Google browser. I am doing it here with Google. You'll have to search for LensGo AI with whichever browser you open. After searching out a par, an interface like this will appear in front of you. You'll find a LensGo link at the top here. You need to click and enter this LensGo website. After doing so, I have this website logged in here. Those of you who are not logged in, you can log into the website with your Gmail. After doing so, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Then you will see an option with 3 lines on one side. You simply have to go to the option with 3 lines. After going there, you will see an option for video style transfer. Alright, you will click on this video style transfer given here. You can see 2 options, fast mode and custom mode. You need to click on custom mode. After that, you can see 3 options under styles. In custom, you can see an option called popular. You need to click on this popular option. After clicking here, what do you have to do? Simply click on upload video and select the video you want to choose. So let's select our video. After selecting the video, you will see an option below for the generated video. So when you want to generate this video, you will need to go here, and here you will need to pay. After paying, when you click the generated video, your video will be converted into a Ghibli video. So friends, if you liked our video, then be sure to like, subscribe to the channel and share. That's all for now. See you in the next video.